Hey future network pros! Welcome to 3V Learning Center, where we make CCNA simple. Today we're conquering subnetting, the CCNA topic that scares everyone. But here's the secret. It's just dividing big networks into smaller, manageable pieces, like splitting a house into rooms. Every IP address has two parts, network portion and host portion. Subnetting changes this split. Take 192.168.1.0. In binary, it looks like this. The subnet mask decides the split. 255.255.255.0 equals /24. That's 24 bits for network, 8 for hosts. The /24 is CIDR notation, your shortcut to understanding any subnet mask instantly. Let's subnet. We need 4 networks from 192.168, 1.0/24. We need 2 extra bits for 4 subnets, so /24 becomes /26. Result, 4 subnets, each with 62 usable hosts. Remember, 2 addresses are always reserved. Quick check, 64 addresses per subnet minus network and broadcast equals 62 hosts. Perfect. Master these. Know powers of 2, memorize common CIDR notations and practice manually. Subnetting conquered. Like, subscribe, and comment your CCNA questions below. Stay sharp, future network pros.